Okay. Hi, Karan. Welcome to Filmy Beat. Firstly, congratulations for your new show. So, tell me
Thank
about the
you.
association with Flipkart. Yeah, how this thing happened.
So this happened on a crazy interactive show that we did with Flipkart Video, which was Ladies versus Gentlemen. That's where it all started, and I think it was a very quirky, format, and it was interactive, and it asked the right questions, and it was Janelia and Ritesh hosting, and we were the panelists, and we were discussing, we were having debates, we were talking about, some funny questions, some very serious questions, and we wanted to know what our thoughts are about the matter, and does it match the thought of India? And so I think the format as such was so new and so exciting that we wanted to sort of definitely be a part of that, and shooting for that, uh, you know we had a blast. We got to know so many things that we have, we make our own opinions, correct, because of the way we see the world and how we experience the world, and to match it with others, your contemporaries and the entire country on a show like that, and also where your voice can be heard, and if you can make a difference. I think for me it was a very exciting format, and then um, when when they came up with Dating Aajkal, again a very new concept, something which has not been done before, at least not in my knowledge, where there's so much happening, and on Flipkart Video, whoever is watching the show can also be a part of the show. It's an interactive dating show, and they win lots of prizes if their thought process matches our girl. So it was the journey started from there, and then it just continued. And I think both of these formats are very crazy formats, and I was very excited when I got to know about this format.
All right, and as you said, like how you came on board. So the story basically now you got to know. Like, apart from that, what makes this, Love Aajkal different from rest of the shows what we had seen on VTV, MTV, and the dating like series or apps we see. So what makes this different from them?
See, the first most important, you know, the it's a no-brainer for me, because the format itself is something that while you're watching you can interact with. Like हम अगर किसी कोई शो देख रहे होते हैं, ये लाइक शिट, अगर मैं होता तो मैं ये कर रहा होता, अगर मैं ये कर रहा होता, अगर अच्छा मुझे दिख रहा है ये लड़का कुछ और बोल रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है कि ये बेटर है, so I also want to have an opinion here, right? And so that's what happens on Flipkart Video. The show is interactive. While the show is going on, there are decisions that are being made, and you get to make those decisions and see whether your thought process matches the people on the show as well. I think that's never been done. So if I'm, for example, doing something, and you get to choose, if you were in my situation, what would you have done? And then if it matches mine or not. I think it's pretty cool, pretty interactive. Also, the format itself is a very different format. Yes, it's interactive, which is a big win. The format itself is also very different. It's more about speed dating. It's more current, where we have, it's like the world right now. It's all online dating, and
Yeah.
apps to find dates. And so we've picked up on a lot of those nuances, and we've created a format here where I think it's pretty fun once you get to know what the format is like. So it's fast, it's furious. There's a love story, and there's a lot more fun. It's a shorter format. It's a very different format. So everything gets compelled pretty much into, when we shoot for other shows, we have lots of time.
Yeah.
Here we don't. So we've created the format in a way that everything is 2021. It's quick, it's fast.
Okay, so the name of the show is Dating Aajkal. So I would like to know your take on Aajkal ki dating basically. What
Yeah,
is
so
what is
that's what
your opinion? Yeah.
that's what I'm saying. So dating आजकल, especially because of the pandemic, we've been everybody's at home. आप नहीं जा सकते हो, आप कॉन्सर्ट्स में नहीं जा रहे हो, आप क्लबिंग करने नहीं जा रहे हो, आप सनडाउनर्स के लिए नहीं जा रहे हो, आप कॉलेज नहीं जा रहे हो, स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हो, तो आप लोगों को मिल नहीं रहे हो, तो आप आप ऑनलाइन बहुत कुछ कर रहे हो, देयर आर डेटिंग एप्स, there's social media, you're e-meeting people, a lot of things are happening online, and a lot of people are hiding behind their profiles, you know what I mean? So आप portray करते हो कुछ, which usually जो old school तरीका होता था ना, जब हम मिलते थे लोगों को, हम notice करते थे कि किससे कैसे बात कर रहा है, ये लड़की जब जैसे कोई वेट्रेस आती है या वेटर आता है तो ये कैसे बिहेव करती है. तो these things जो हम पर्सनली कर सकते हैं, जो हम अभी सोशल मीडिया की फिल्टर्ड पिक्चर्स के पीछे या फिर प्रोफाइल्स में जो लिखा होता है बायोस के पीछे छुपे, we really can't make out. So I think that for me is dating Aajkal 2021, and that's why we have the show Dating Aajkal, where we are actually taking these filters off. Everything is face to face, and it's fun.
Okay, so Karan, I would like to know about your dating things. कि आपका experience अगर आप बता सकते हो तो, and कौन से tips आप देना चाहोगे लोगों को कि about dating, because since Valentine is like nearby, Valentine week is going on.
Absolutely. First, my first tip for anybody who's single right now, and if he or she is looking to date, I would say Flipkart video पे 13th को Dating Aajkal drop होने वाला है, and you will be amazed at the reality checks that we've had with people. आजकल सब प्रोफाइल्स को देख देख के डेट कर रहे हैं. एक पुराना तरीका होता था डेट करने का, तो वो असलियत क्या है प्रोफाइल्स के पीछे, वो जाननी बहुत जरूरी है. So when you see Dating Aajkal, you'll realize what we are talking about. So it's a lot of fun.
Okay, तो कभी आपके साथ भी ऐसे कुछ हुआ, like you have dated someone profile देखकर, like ऐसे कुछ funny thing, if you can share about your some dating experience?
I don't think कि मैंने कभी ऐसी प्रोफाइल देख के किसी को डेट किया, क्योंकि again we do so many things in our life, we travel so much, हम इतने लोगों को मिलते हैं तो हम वो नहीं कर पाते हैं. But I think I have not I think बहुत सारी ऐसे लोग होंगे जिनको मैं प्रोफाइल के थ्रू मिला हूँ, और बाद में आप जैसे आप नेटवर्किंग करते हो, आप कॉन्टैक्ट्स बनाते हो, आप लोगों को उनका सोशल मीडिया देखते हो, फिर आप जब उनको रियल लाइफ में मिलते हो ओवर मीटिंग और समथिंग, तो फिर आपको एक्चुअली में पता चलता है कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. सो आई डोंट हैव एनी डेटिंग स्टोरीज एज सच, बट या आई थिंक बहुत सारा ऐसे होता है ना कि आप कॉन्टैक्ट्स बनाते हो, आप अलग अलग कंट्रीज में एक्टर्स को, डायरेक्टर्स को मिलते हो, बात करते हो, आपकी एजेंट्स जो हैं आपको कनेक्ट करते हैं, फिर आपको मौका मिलता है मिलने का. So yeah, a lot of that has happened, but no dating stories as such.
Okay, what is an ideal date for you? कैसा होना चाहिए perfect date?
I think an ideal date should be everything that's real. आजकल की जो dating आजकल की जो problem है वो यही है कि हम लोगों ने सब कुछ filters के पीछे छुपा के रखा हुआ है. हम पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हैं एक जिंदगी, वी पोर्ट्रेइंग कि यार ये मैं ऐसा दिखता हूँ या मैं ऐसी दिखती हूँ, और ये मेरा फैशन स्टाइल है, और ये मैं बोलता हूँ, ये मेरी स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, ये मेरी बायो है. जब आप डेट पे जाते हो, आइडियली डजंट मैटर कि आप कहाँ पर हो. व्हाट मैटर्स इज कि आप जब किसी को आमने सामने मिलते हो तो आप अपने फिल्टर्स हटा दे, एंड यू ब्रिंग द रियलिटी ऑफ हु यू आर in front of that person. Because ठीक है, दुनिया के लिए आपने एक प्रोफाइल बनाई हुई है, but if you're going on a first date, yes, it should be a romantic date, yes, everything else, but it should be filterless. It should be all these complexities जो होती है ना, जो हम used to हो चुके हैं, क्योंकि हम ऑनलाइन जिंदगी ज्यादा जी रहे हैं, रियल जिंदगी कम जी रहे हैं. बहुत सारे लोग हैं youngsters especially, तो आई थिंक वो हटा देनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो ज्यादा लंबा अगर आपको कोई रिलेशनशिप लेके जाना है तो आप फिल्टर्स आपको हटाने ही पड़ेंगे.
राइट, बहुत सही कहा आपने कि आजकल के ये जनरेशन में देयर आर सो मेनी डेटिंग एप्स. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक ये सारी चीजें जो है, दिस इज बून ऑफ अस, लाइक इसके एडवांटेज है या डिसएडवांटेज ज्यादा है?
See, technology always comes with an advantage. Absolutely, it's you can never say, the world is a smaller place today. India itself is doing so well because technology is helping us grow as a tech superpower. So of course, technology is something that is, I mean, today if I want to talk to my mother, if she's not feeling well, I know कि मुझे बैठ के ISD call नहीं book करनी है. I can just take my phone and I can make a video call and I can be almost there. कहीं पे किसी का केक कट रहा है, so at least we can be there. There's technology, there's stuff that is made so simple. But yes, as I said, what's also happened is that because of this technology, a lot of people are hiding behind things, and people are actually getting impressed by people's profiles. और वो असलियत नहीं है. आप जो सोशल मीडिया पे देखते हो लोगों को जो पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हैं, वो उनकी असली जिंदगी नहीं है. So ऐसा,
fake profiles, there are many cases, right?
No, I'm saying जो real profiles भी है. मैं ऐसे बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ जो पोर्ट्रे बड़ा कुछ करते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे कि हम इतने खुश हैं, हम इतने वो हैं, बट असलियत में ऐसा नहीं. सब लोग रियल होते हैं, सेलिब्रिटीज भी रियल होते हैं, पॉलिटिशियंस भी रियल होते हैं, सबकी एक पर्सनल लाइफ भी होती है. तो जो यंगस्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने जो पैदा ही इस एरा में हुए हैं, वो प्रेशर ले लेते हैं यार. वो बोलते हैं मेरी जिंदगी इतनी कूल क्यों नहीं है, तो इंस्टाग्राम पे, सोशल मीडिया पे सब अपना बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड रख रहे हैं. That doesn't mean that they don't have issues, they don't have problems, they don't have things that are troubling them. They're also real people, so people should not forget that.
All right, and apart from this, Karan, I also have question regarding, since people know like Big Boss is going on, क्या आपका कोई friend है इस season Big Boss के घर में?
Oh my God, I have so many my people that I know, I mean, because I've been part of the industry for so long. मैं जानता हूँ लोगों को, but देखो जानने में मैं सबको जानता हूँ. But as such मैंने Big Boss देखा ही नहीं है, because I was not in the country and I came back because I had to shoot for Dating Aajkal, and we've been working on this show for such a long time that our entire focus was on this. तो मेरे को time ही नहीं मिला देखने का बिल्कुल भी.
Okay, and जैसे कि अभी आपने कहा Dating Aajkal आप shoot कर रहे थे, तो what is the takeaway जो ये show से आप लेके जाओगे and this will be last with you forever?
I think what I would take away from Flipkart Video is that it is, the fact that Flipkart Video is pushing the boundaries and is coming up with concepts. अगर आप कोई भी पुराने shows देखोगे अभी जो TV पे चल रहे हैं, वो 15 साल हो गए उनको, 18 साल हो गए, they're in the same sort of format. Nobody is pushing the boundaries, and the reason why this is my second show with Flipkart Video is because they are really working on pushing themselves, letting people know that there's so much more that can be done, and not just following preset sort of formats. They're coming up with new formats, new interactive way of making content, and I think this is the future. So these guys, I think that's my takeaway. I'm very happy that I'm a part of something that अभी देखो आज हमने ये interactive show किया है, ये अभी on 13th को Flipkart Video पे आएगा Dating Aajkal, and you wait and watch, within 6 months all these other shows will also be doing interactive things. So I think they're pioneering in something which is great. जब हमने गुमराह किया था बहुत साल पहले चैनल वी के लिए, हम लोगों ने path को change किया था, and I think Flipkart Video is doing exactly that. They're changing the path, and I'm glad that I'm a part of that.
Alright, and इसके अलावा like what next? हम आपको वापस कब देख सकते हैं? Or like what are things you would like to share in pipeline?
So I have I've worked for I've already finished 2 films जो कि हमने pre-lockdown और उसके lockdown के बाद अभी हमने finish किया. So this year hopefully there'll be 2 releases. Last year I had Dolly Kitty और वो चमकते सितारे with Alankita, and so this year is also quite exciting. My show Dating Aajkal, I think this is something that I was so excited about, that I knew that I cannot do a lot of other work because I wanted this to be taking my 2021 forward. So I think it's the right time. 13th को launch हो रहा है. It's a great start for me.
Okay, and Karan, one more question like I would like to ask you जाने से पहले, because you must be knowing कि currently क्या scenario चल रहा है like about the farmers protest. So do you want to comment anything on it?
I think my social media is pretty clear as to what and what not. It is quite evident कि चल क्या रहा है, and ये काफी pro government not pro government चीज हो गई है जो कि होनी नहीं चाहिए. So I think whatever message what I wanted to put across is out there in my social media. I think people know ये stand लेने की बात ही नहीं है. It's something that as an Indian everybody should come together. And it's a matter. It's like जैसे घर में कभी कोई problem हो जाती है तो आप उसको इकट्ठे होकर solve करते हो. So it's something like that.
Okay, and lastly जाने से पहले क्या कुछ message देना चाहते हो आपके fans and all the Flipkart video lovers के लिए, and when is it releasing?
I would the everybody who had watched Ladies versus Gentlemen was quite floored by the concept, by the interactive nature of it, and by the utter surprise that format got. And I would just say that Dating Aajkal on Flipkart Video is going to be a surprise dating show for everybody who's going to watch it. And trust me, it is going to reveal so much. It's going to be so entertaining. The format, it's every day. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's every day. I think it's a kick-ass format and बहुत मजे आने वाले हैं. It's never been attempted before.
Okay, and what are your Valentine plans? What are you doing this Valentine?
देखो 13th को तो डेटिंग आजकल लॉन्च हो रहा है तो मैं तो बैठा हूँ फ्लिपकार्ट वीडियो पे, मैं खुद ही खेल रहा हूँ क्योंकि देखो ऐसा है कि जो भी आंसर्स, जो भी क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं, क्योंकि फ्लिपकार्ट पे बहुत सारे प्राइजेस मिलने वाले हैं, वो मेरे को आंसर्स पता है क्योंकि मैं तो होस्ट हूँ. तो मैं भी बैठ के खेल रहा हूँ. So I think first of course I'll be watching my own show, and other than that I don't think I have any plans as such.
Alright, so जाने से पहले आपके फैंस को एक वैलेंटाइन विश हो जाए.
Here's wishing everybody a fantastic Valentine's Day. But I think प्यार एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसे रोज सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए. उसके लिए एक दिन काफी नहीं होता है, एक जिंदगानी भी काफी नहीं होती है. So to everybody who's in love out there, congratulations and have a blast. But as I always say, stay safe.
Alright, thank you so much, Charan.